Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send HD pictures on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Instagram application on your mobile phone. And then we're going to go to the Instagram direct messages. So we can click on this DM icon on the top right. And then, for example guys, I'm going to send HD image to this account. I'm going to send it to my second account on Instagram, and we can click on this gallery, the image icon, and choose an image you want to send on Instagram. For example guys, I'm just going to pick a random image from my gallery. I'm going to choose this one. Oops, sorry. Click on the image you want to send. You can select multiple images. Just click on the image. Click on the circle just like the image. And you can click on the HD if you want to set the images to HD image like this. And click on try it. And you just need to click on send, and the images will be set into HD images, and this is the result. Okay, and I'm going to send HD images to my group chat as well. I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to search for my group chat. Okay, this one. I'm just going to click on this icon, and then we can choose photo we want to send. I'm just going to send this one as well. Okay, and don't forget to click on the HD to set the photo to HD format. Okay, click on send. Okay, this is the result guys. And for your information, this HD can only be applied to the photo. You cannot apply HD to the video. So if you send video on Instagram, I think the quality will be reduced. But actually you can set it on the setting. Make sure you choose the high quality on your setting to send the HD video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to send HD pictures on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.